Hey guys, Ian Newton, the vehicle technology guy. Today I want to talk to you about how to change the key fob in a Toyota Smart Key, the Smart Access Key. This is actually a key to a Toyota Sienna minivan. Basically, with these smart keys, you have a button on the side here. You can push with your finger. Your little shank is what we call it, slides out. Well, inside the key, if you look, there's a little slot right there. You can actually stick the shank in and just twist. Now when you twist like that, it opens up this key. And inside, there's your battery. There's your buttons for the front, little plastic protective that keeps moisture out. See all the buttons there. So then you just take your screwdriver, and actually on the edge of this one, right about here, you can actually just twist, pop that out. So there's your key battery. So with the Toyota, there is a number. With the Toyota, there is a number. This one's an Energizer. CR2032. So just put this battery, once you get the new battery, just slide it in. Just make sure you push it in there. Don't force it too much. You got some tabs that hold it. That goes back in. And then as you can see in this key where the buttons are, there are little buttons here along this little circuit board. If you look at the key, about like your buttons there. So you want to line those buttons up right there, just like that. Take your back, it only go on one way, and just snap it back together. Then you put the shank right back in the key. The shank is actually to unlock doors, trunks, glove box. But that's how you replace the battery in your Toyota Smart Key. Again, this is Ian Newton, the vehicle technology guy. I hope this video has been informative. If you hadn't done so already, click the subscribe button. Also hit the like button. I will have many more videos to come. Appreciate your interest, and make it a great day. Thank you.